Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hayle Olson and I've said it before and I'll say it again. I am trying to upload videos more regularly. If you didn't catch my last video, I compared the original wellness log and the petite planner wellness log. So if you're interested in seeing that, make sure to go check that out. But without further ado, we're going to be opening up these boxes from Erin Condren. I'm doing the largest Erin Condren haul I have ever done. And when I say largest, I mean it is absolutely huge. I've got this big box right here full of stuff. And then I also have this box back here from Erin Condren as well. And you might be thinking, why is this not in the normal Erin Condren box? So normally when you get something from Erin Condren, it comes in these really pretty boxes in super fun colors. And that's kind of all of the boxes that you ever get, unless you order what I ordered that is in this brown box. So this is something extra special that I'm gonna share with you guys at the end. But without further ado, let's open this big box right here. All right, so the very first thing that you normally have in your Erin Condren box is this label and then a fun postcard. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is this teacher lesson planner. And if you guys don't know me, I'm not a teacher. In fact, I'm in the marketing industry, so you might be wondering, what the heck are you doing with a teacher lesson planner? And the reason that I purchased this was because I'm not a big fan of the wellness logs. If you watched my last video, they just don't have enough room for me to write. I like to add a lot of details as far as my meal plan and my workout schedule, how much water I'm drinking, how many steps I take, you know, how many hours I sleep each night. I like to keep track of a lot of that, or plan out if I'm trying to follow a specific plan. So what I'm gonna be doing is using a teacher lesson planner and kind of customizing it into my own wellness log. So I'm going to be doing a completely separate video on that, going into a lot of detail about how I'm transforming this huge planner. It's 8.5 by 11 and it's pretty thick. I'm going to be showing you guys how I turn this into my own wellness log. That way, if you're interested as well, you can do the same thing. Specifically, real quick, for this planner, I got the gold coil. I've never gotten a colored coil, so I'm pretty excited about that. And then I did the palms cover with, I want to say, I'm not sure what, maybe blush was the back color, and then either orange or nectarine were the leaves. So I'll make sure to leave that down in the description box below if you guys are interested in this color combination for the palms cover. So next thing that I have here in this box are 4 pages of stickers. And the reason that I got these is because I know there's parts of the teacher lesson planner that I'm gonna have to cover up because they're very school or student specific, and I want it to be all about wellness. So I just picked out some fun pages of stickers that will kind of liven up the planner and keep it fun for when it's time to work out. So I got these 4 pages. And like I just said, I'll make sure to leave links to all this stuff down below. That way you know what they are. Next up, I have the new 2019 Deluxe Planner. And I got this colorful hexagon shaped cover, which I absolutely love. So this is going to be my regular monthly planner for next year. Then I got another deluxe monthly planner. Now this one I did get for work. So like I said, I'm in the marketing field and I've really been wanting a deluxe monthly planner to use at work. I'm always toting around my notebook. So I figured, you know what, why not get the deluxe monthly planner? I got the 8.5 and 11. This one was the 5 by 7. So I got 2 different sizes. And then I'll be able to keep track of any travel that I have for work. And then I got all of the extra pages in the back. So it'll be perfect for doing wireframes, planning out any kind of content. It'll just be amazing for work and I can't wait to use that. So I got the rose gold coil. Again, I decided to get a colored coil. And then I also got this really pretty, I don't know what the name of this cover is, but it's got rose gold and it's got succulents. They just got really pretty flowers on here. And like normal, I don't get my name or anything. Normally this cover has the rose gold name right in the middle, so that is an option for you guys. But this is the planner that I got for work. Then I've got the Trio metallic pen holder. So it's got rose gold, silver, and gold. And the reason I got this was so that I could use the rose gold one on my work planner and then the gold one on my wellness log. So that'll be fun to use. I've got these free labels because I bought the teacher planner. I'm not sure if I'll get too much use out of this just because I'm not a teacher like I said, but they might be fun to give out to my friends that are teachers. Then I got the metallic trio of bands, again the gold, silver, and rose gold, and just like the pen holder I'm going to be using the gold one on the wellness log and then the rose gold one on my work planner. And then I got a planning pack, and I got the one in the rose gold. I don't remember the name of the color, but it's the one that has the rose gold band. And I got this for work as well, just to keep all of my headphones, my pens, any kind of electronics, or like pens or anything that I might need to bring around at work with me, or if I'm on the go traveling for work, I can just shove everything in this little planning pack and I'll be good to go. And then the last thing for this box are these file folders. And again, I decided to get these file folders for work. I love the gray and the cream or white colored stars that are all over these. And this is a pack of 4, so I don't need too many, just a couple. And I just think I'll really enjoy these for work. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the big box. The big mysterious box that everyone's probably wondering, what the heck is that, Hayle? Well, I don't know how, what's a good way to do this, because I gotta take it out too. So we're gonna open it first. Now, if you know anything about packaging, and you see this, you might think, is that a piece of art? Well, my friends, if you guessed that, you guessed correctly. I got a piece of art from Erin Condren. And you might be thinking, why does Erin Condren have art? Or heck, I didn't even know they had art. But yes, you can buy fine prints from Erin Condren, and I thought I would try it out because I was needing a new piece for my desk at work, and I thought this would be perfect. And I'm sure as soon as you see it, you'll understand why. Okay. Ooh. Put that there. Okay, this is the back. You can't see it yet. Let's open it up. Alright, you guys, you ready for the big reveal of what this is? Let's see. Alright, so that is the piece of artwork that I ordered. It is the same print as the cover that I got for, or very similar, maybe not the same, but very similar. It matches very well of the cover that I got for my work planner. So I thought this would be perfect on my desk. It is an absolutely gorgeous print. I got the 20 by 20 and I got it in the white frame. and that is probably why it was packaged so nicely. I'm guessing if you were to order just the print without the frame, you might get it in a rolled tube, and I absolutely love getting prints like that. I always feel like they're super safe, but the packaging in this with the frame was wonderful. The wooden frame is very sturdy, which I really appreciate, and everything's just tacked in here really nicely. So this is the art print that I got, and that was what was in the mysterious box. I'm sure all you guys were like, what the heck, what did she get? But that is everything from this order. I know it was a ton. Thank you for sticking around and seeing everything. I'm curious to know what you're most excited about, and if you are super curious about this teacher lesson planner, make sure to stick around for that next video. Subscribe if you're not, that way you don't miss it. And I forgot to mention real quick 2 things. If you haven't entered my giveaway for the wellness logs, I'm giving away 2 wellness logs, the original one and then the petite planner wellness log as well. So if you haven't entered to win one of those 2, make sure to go check out my previous video so you can enter and learn more about that. And then also, if you are new to Erin Condren and you really want a planner, this has really piqued your interest and you kind of want to go check it out, make sure to sign up with my link. It's HayleOlson.com/Erin Condren, and when you sign up, you will get a $10 coupon sent to your email inbox, and you will get $10 off your very first order. So make sure to sign up with that link if you are interested in purchasing something for the very first time. And I think that is it. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.